Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord tag without using Nitro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and search your Discord and update your Discord application. Once you've done that, simply need to go and open Discord and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on my account, and then you need to click on username, and then you need to click on your tag. So you can see that you can only change if you have a Nitro. So how you can change that? You simply need to change your username to your tag. So let me change that to 1190, and then you need to click on save, and here you need to put your password, and once you put your password you can easily change your Discord tag without using Nitro. So this is a process by which you can change your Discord tag without using Nitro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.